This is the pink oyster mushroom. So you can see there's some pink colonation is already started at the top. So I'm gonna cut the slit of 3 to 4 inches is so that it can actually come out from here. So I got a flap here. You can see I'm gonna open it up like that. So it will be exposed and the mushroom can start growing from there. Okay, then next I'm gonna have a big bag like this. This one has some hole punch in there. I'm gonna place the mushroom block, the entire block inside there. Okay, so after that we're gonna add like ½ inch of water inside the bag. Not a lot, but ½ inch of it. So what this is really do is to let the mushroom has some humidity in it. So you can see we have some water, but not so much. Okay, and then all right, and then we're just gonna roll the bag down, and then we're gonna place it at somewhere that is fully shaded, and then we will start growing the mushroom. Make sure it's fully shaded, no direct sun at all. That's it. Now 11 days after I start my mushrooms, so I keep them inside my hoop house most of it, all the time. And I just checked this morning and they are ready to harvest. I just want to show you how I set it up, where I put it, so you can take a look at it. So this hoop house is kind of sitting at a kind of shady spot. You can see there's a big overhead trees underneath it, but I also put a 70% shade cloth at the back of it, and that's where I place my mushroom kit. Okay, so let's go check it out. And it's very humid during the daytime, and actually most of the time. Let me show you how it looks like. So here is the pink oyster mushroom. Look at how beautiful they are right now, and they are ready to harvest in just 11 days. And this is a blue mushroom, blue oyster mushroom. So oyster mushroom, they actually they love the high heat and humidity, in fact. So they will do well in a hoop house like this, and it's going to be a really good environment to them. And you can see all this condensation that is built up inside the bag, and I do not even need to mist them at all. Like, I do nothing to mist them while they are here. So I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna show you in detail, in a close look, how they looks like. Here you go. So this is the blue oyster mushroom. So how do you know when it's ready to harvest? Is you can see the cap is started to get rifle, like how do I say, ruffle H, and the cap is really big. That's when you can actually harvest it. You don't want it to grow completely flat, because then it will be the texture will not be that nice. It will be like too ripe. And you can see that it still has a lot of tiny mushroom that is coming up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take away this portion right here, and you can just simply just pull it, and it will just get off very easily. This is the pink oyster mushroom. Again, look at that. It's beautiful. Ruffle age, so the condition is the same. When they get completely flat, that's when they are like getting really too ripe. And again, you can see there are more coming out, so I can actually cut more right here, so that the mushroom can ready to grow out more, and it will just keep going on and on. Look, I have all this baby mushroom that is waiting to be grow out as well. So you can really have a very long supply of oyster mushroom with this kit, and they are super duperly yummy. All right, that's it. Hopefully it's helpful for you if you want to try to grow mushroom. Talk to you next time. Bye.